Some call this an underreported crisis.
The news has all been about COVID, so overdose deaths has had to take a backseat.
According to the CDC, more than 100,000 Americans died from overdoses over the last year. And in Colorado, deaths are up 34%.
Unfortunately, overdoses have increased a lot in the past 2 years here in Denver and in Colorado as a whole.
Dr. Ashad William works with North Point Recovery Colorado in Loveland. He says this is heartbreaking and adds that there are driving factors.
The potency of the drugs is one, the availability is the second, and the cost apparently has been one of the driving factors of it.
Experts say people turn to dealers for counterfeit pills when they can't access pills from the pharmacy. The DEA says fentanyl-laced pills are deadlier than heroin and morphine, but Marion Rourke says there are more drugs threatening Denver streets.
I would like to be clear that it's not just fentanyl as well. We do know that typically overdose fatalities in the city and county of Denver involve 3 or more substances.
Rourke says mixing and matching pills can increase the chances of an overdose, but the pandemic has also been another factor.
The pandemic obviously has had a huge impact on people's mental health and behavioral health, both just from social isolation and all the other stressors that have come along with the pandemic.
Since then, more resources are directed to assist with addiction and more funding is available. Rourke says it's still not enough.
We do need more resources to be able to fully, address this, because it's not just the prevention of, the overdose fatality, right? There are non-fatal overdoses. There are a lot of other things that are impacting people's behavioral health.
Regardless of the numbers, these centers are committed to providing the proper care to assist those who want to make a change.
When we deal in recovery with people who overdose, it takes a toll on us, on staff. But on the other side, we do get the joy of seeing people thrive, the ones who recover and do well. So we get to see both sides of the coin.
I'm Darius Johnson, 9 News.
Denver has new resources in place like training video and testing kits for those who live in the city or the county. And the North Point Recovery Center says their doors are open 24/7 for anyone who would like to begin treatment. We have information on our website on 9news.com.